Boop. Hey guys, it's Roy. I don't know what the fuck this thing is right here, but it's fucking awesome. I love motorcycles. Look at this fucking thing. What is this? Scrambler 900? Triumph? It's a fucking machine, man. I'm gonna get killed on the street. Look at that. Ooh, sweet. Sweet. I don't know what they're charging on here either. That is fucking hot.
You really like it, huh?
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
What's he charging?
Is he selling? Oh, I don't know what he's charging on there, but I've never seen a bike that I never